Hello. We are going to be making Biscoff cookies. For, as you can see, we have 85 grams of flour sifted and 300 grams of Biscoff Spread and 1 egg, but I'm going to beat that. And chocolate chips. You can pick whatever ones you want. I picked white chocolate chips because that's what the recipe calls. Now that I've beaten my egg, I am now cutting all my mixture together. The flour, spread and egg. And I mix this till the dough is formed. Once all your dough has came together, add however many chocolate chips you want, leaving some to put into your cookies when going in to bake. As you can see, I can touch the cookie dough without it being sticky. Once this happens, you can roll the dough into balls and put onto a cookie sheet. Once your cookie dough is made into balls, you can add the rest of your chocolate chips. Once you've done this, put into a preheated oven, gas line 6, or 400 Fahrenheit, or 200 Celsius, depending on your oven. As you can see, my cookies are out of the oven and they look lovely and crispy. I had to turn them around in the oven because my oven's a bit broke and there's a gas. So if you have trouble with your oven cooking, I would recommend turn them around. As you've seen, I put my cookies into a decorative bowl. I really recommend this if you have kids. It's really fun to make and was really easy. I found it really fun and my whole family ate them all. As you can see, the cookies very crisp. And it was really nice in the centre because it was so soft and just lovely to eat.